Okay, hi guys. So the vlog that you're gonna see is a flashback vlog because you guys know that I have not been posting since 6th of August. There's a reason why. I spoke about my injury, the story session time that I did on Instagram, but I know a lot of you guys are not there on Instagram or probably don't follow me there. So it's only fair for me to come here and talk about it. So let's just see what all happened on 6th of August and then I'll come back and then we'll do the story session over here once again.
Have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
I made pancakes here and यहाँ पे mom is making thali peeth. How ironic. Good morning you guys. I hope मैंने चश्मे नहीं पहने. Good morning you guys. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel More Mouse. So today's plan is basically nothing. I'm not gonna shoot like YouTube or Instagram videos. I'm gonna edit. Today is like an edit day and it's pretty chill. I mean, I don't have work, though I am actually working because I'm editing an Instagram video which is supposed to go live today, and also vlogging, which is also work. But when I vlog, I don't feel like as if I'm working. When I sit to edit, that's the time I feel I'm working, because vlogs edit karna takes more time than the sit down videos, because you have so much of footage. You basically like vlog random stuff and you just have to decide what to put, what not to put. There is this face shop skincare routine video which I'm supposed to post on Instagram today because there is some offer running, so I have to sit down to edit. I have already filmed that. Yesterday only I filmed it, but abhi when it comes to Instagram videos na, we have so much of problem while finding the music, like no copyright wala music. It takes forever. Like it's just a 1 minute video. Editing बहुत जल्दी होता है, but 1 घंटा तो लगता है गाना ढूंढने में, because if the vibe of the song is not matching with the video ना, वो effect नहीं आता, you know. This copyright thing becomes sort of a pain, but then it's needed because I learned this in my communication skills in engineering college. I think 3rd or 4th year, I don't remember, but we had like a whole chapter of copyright infringement and why it is needed and all of that. Speaking of which, the person who was impersonating me is caught finally, and she apologized as well. She has given me a written apology, so I accepted it. I did not reply to it because I realized that there is no point in replying to such people, because she had written that I did it for fun, and तभी मेरा दिमाग मतलब हो गया था, because if you can have fun by harassing someone, I think I shouldn't even talk to such people. So my parents told me to just leave the topic and just forgive her, be the bigger person, because that's what my parents' upbringing is. So yeah, and I'm not going to reveal her identity, or I'm not going to reveal anything about that matter. We're going to close that matter because this space is a positive space. There is a plan that you probably would meet Chevy, because I'm gonna go to her house today. Pata nahi hai, fixed plan nahi hai. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me about this curtain, so I'll leave the Instagram handle right here. She was kind enough to send it across, but I know a lot of younger girls watch my videos, and even if you're not younger, this goes for every girl out there, or even a boy, that if you are getting bullied or getting harassed on social media, or if you are you are a victim of any kind of a cyber crime, you have to involve your parents or your family or friends, and you know, do not ignore it, because social media, especially us creators, we are not here to ignore things, you know. You cannot be like, oh, this is a part and parcel of your life. No, it is not. Constructive criticism is a part and parcel of our life. Being harassed is not. Harassment is nobody's part and parcel of life. Like if I go in detail that what all that girl has done, it will be like a 2-hour long video, which I don't want to do. So yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that please involve your elder people in this, and because it is a crime, rubbing off a watermark from someone's picture and posting as your own by changing the name is a crime, and impersonating someone on social media is also a crime. A lot of the people think that social media पे छुपना बहुत easy है, it's very secure. It's not. It's 6:30 almost. बहुत अंधेरा हो चुका है बाहर because it's raining cats and dogs. But I just changed. I haven't showered. Clearly visible because I think my sister is gonna make me shower once I reach her house. I have packed my clothes. जो वही night dress जो मैंने पहना था. Oh my god, this bag I have taken out after 4 or 5 months. This was my go-to bag whenever I have to go out. I'm not going to stay there, but my sister has OCD about all of this cleanliness and hygiene and all of that. So let's go. Guys, I have made it to Sherry's house, but something happened while I was coming. I hurt my leg so bad, like you have no idea. It's swollen. So there was this TV cable or whatever which was there on the road, and it literally stabbed my foot, and मैंने खींच के निकाला उसको. And here is Sherry. Say hi. She's watching Peppa Pig. Shaivi, hold it properly. Give. Every Marathi family watches this Babadya serial. My God. Salam Babadya. तू काय म्हणते?
Hi guys. I'm eating the pancakes.
Yes.
Shaivi, say it louder.
Little. Put little only, okay?
Where is my boat? This no?
Yes. Put little. Bas, that's it.
Shaivi, what are you doing?
Yeah. Now
What is this? What is this? No, that is Shev Puri. Yeah. This is Pani Puri. This one. The round is Pani Puri. That one is Shev Puri. Okay? Tomato.
your tomato.
Tomato? I don't want tomato.
You want
What?
tomato? Hi guys.
बाळा थांब रे.
Female, I think yes. I have
Want
to
to
check.
1, 2, 3, start.
Hi, welcome to my channel. आज हम बनाएंगे पानी पूरी again.
पानी पूरी again.
चलो चलो ये भूख लगी.
Hi you guys, I just came here to end the vlog because I don't think I'll be able to continue the vlog. I'm in excruciating pain and I took the tetanus shot. My Jiju literally had to carry me piggyback leke 3 floors because I don't have lift in my building. I'm on heavy painkillers. I'm just gonna end the vlog. I hope I'll be able to edit this vlog in a few days and post. And thank you so much for sending me good wishes on Instagram. Love you for that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I got injured, right? And then as soon as I reached my sister's house, my sister stays like 2 buildings away from my house, okay? So when this happened, जब मैंने 4 महीने बाद अपना पाँव गेट के बाहर रखा and मेरे गेट के बाहर ही मुझे ये सब हुआ. So I still decided, मैंने वो खींच के निकाला and then I still decided to go and meet my sister and all because I was really missing Sherry and all, plus pani puri khani thi, so I went, okay? And as soon as I reached her building, my foot started throbbing from inside and because it was raining so heavily, I decided कि चलो जल्दी से चल के जाना है बस. So जैसे ही मैं उसके बिल्डिंग में पहुंची, I removed my chappal and my chappal was full with blood. And I freaked, okay? I was like, what is this? But the wound was not that much because the wire was very small, right? So wound इतना था नहीं, but काफ़ी खून गया. But मैंने कैसे कैसे करके I reached my sister's house. My Jiju and my sister cleaned the wound. उन्होंने कुछ तो लगाया उसके ऊपर and my sister immediately gave me a painkiller. that is the reason why the pain was a little less and I could not feel the wound. My foot was completely sore and मुझे लगा max to max क्या होगा कि मुझे tetanus shot लेना पड़ेगा and I'll be fine. या फिर कुछ टुकड़ा अंदर गया होगा तो वो मे भी निकालेंगे. दिस इज़ द वर्स्ट आई थॉट कि ये हो सकता है मेरे साथ. मुझे ज़रा भी नहीं लगा था कि आई विल गेट अ सीवियर इन्फेक्शन कॉल्ड एज सेल्यूलाइटिस. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज थोड़े टाइम बाद द effect of the medicine started going down and the pain started increasing, and I just told my Jiju that please drop me home, I cannot bear this pain. My fingers were like this, पूरा ऐसे फैल चुके थे मेरे दोनों fingers because वो दोनों उंगली के बीच में से the wire went काफ़ी inside. And because of that I got tissue damage, and tissue damage takes a lot of time to heal. And I was still positive कि हो जाएगा 2-3 दिन में tetanus shot लेके I'll be fine. Next day I went to the doctor and she gave me heavy painkillers, and that's when I shot the last clip which you saw. And I thought चलो 2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा, but then after 2 days my leg was swollen like nobody's business. I'm gonna insert the pictures. Trigger warning, if you guys cannot see like swollen foot, redness and all of that, then don't watch आगे का part, just skip to this timestamp. But I'm gonna insert the clips of my first stage of cellulitis, what happened, and the infection started spreading from my fingers till my ankle. And basically I was just paralyzed. I could not walk. I was just bedridden. I still cannot walk properly. It's been more than 2 weeks. And my doctor told me that probably I need a surgery, which was another bad news, because honestly, if you guys know anything about me, I am terrified of needles. I cannot stand blood and all of that. So luckily that's not the plan for now. I still have to visit my surgeon on this Tuesday, and then I think hopefully that is the last trip to the hospital, because COVID में hospitals visit करना is also very risky. And hats off to my sisters, my mom, Jiju, they took care of me like anything. They were there for me. They literally dedicated their whole time like to me. There were times when, because of the heavy medicines, I could not breathe, and restlessness and all of that. They were literally sitting with me on the bed and making sure that I'm fine. Yeah, I am much better. That's why I could talk to you guys, and that's why I could edit this vlog. So that's the reason why I'm inactive on both the channels. I hope you guys understand. Trust me, I am so worried because of my work, because there was a lot of work, like sponsored content that was supposed to go live in August. कुछ नहीं हो पाया, and I don't know what September has in store for me. So yeah, and Maufam has been so supportive, especially on Instagram. They are making videos for me, posts for me, poems. They are writing poems for me, and I'm getting such lovely DMs from you guys. So thank you so much, and yeah, see you in my next vlog.